Welcome. Before we begin, let's first create our project folder. So I'm going to head up and select Show Data Panel. Next, I'm going to select New Project. I'm going to name this as ASCII-Tramel. Hitting Enter. Next, I'm going to double left click our new project folder to go inside. And with our blank design in place, I'm going to hit Control S for save. And I'm going to name this new design as ASCII-Tramel. Notice, because I entered our project folder, our location was also set to that folder. Let's now select Save. And notice, the design's name is now ASCII-Tramel. Let's now hide our data panel, selecting this. Moving forward, let's now create our first sketch. So heading up to Create and select Create Sketch. Let's sketch on our XY plane, which is currently highlighted in white. Left click here. Let's create our polygon and head up to Create. Moving down under Polygon, I'm going to select Circumscribed Polygon. In addition, notice my cursor snaps into our grid. And as a personal preference, I prefer disabling Snap to Grid. So I'm going to head down under Grid and Snaps. I'm going to disable Snap to Grid. In addition, I also prefer not having incremental move. So disabling this. Let's now place our center point at the origin. Left click here. With the dimension field highlighted in blue, I'm going to key in 200. Hitting Tab, and for the number of sides, because it's hexagon, I'm going to key in 6. Hitting Enter. Zooming out. Notice our sketch entity is in the color of blue, meaning it's not yet fully defined. To have this fully constrained, I'm going to align this point and our origin vertically. So heading up to Constraints, selecting Horizontal Vertical, selecting this point and our origin. Hitting Escape to disable Horizontal Vertical. Let's now finish sketch. Head to Home View. Head to Create and select Extrude. Our profile was automatically selected. I'm going to pull this up, giving this a height. And to be exact, I'm going to key in 90. Operation New Body and selecting OK. Join me in the next lesson as we model the slots.